In this video, I want to show you guys how I built an order system with payments for a coffee shop in less than an hour. A AI agent barista takes an order, helps the customer navigate the menu, summarizes the order, and then gives that customer a payment link. You could build this for any scenario and you can connect it to whatever channel that you want. I'm just using a chatbot, but you could connect the front end to be WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger or something else. Let's get right into the video.
So here I've got my barista agent. Okay, hi, I'd like to order, can I see the menu? I'm just using the RelevanceAI interface here, but you could be using WhatsApp or something else. So right now the agent is going to go off to the knowledge base. That's where the menu items are stored. And as you can see, he's come back to me. This is what's on the menu. Okay, let's get a bagel and a latte, please. So now he's going to total up this order, summarize it, and then ask for my email. He wants my name, as all good baristas do. Cool. Okay, thank you for your order. Anything else? No, that's it. Sent my payment link here. So if I click that, I can go off and pay. The agent has passed into the workflow that I'm going to show you in a second the amount, my email address, and I can just go ahead and make this payment. Obviously, this is just a demo sandbox. Payment successful. This success notification is going to send back a message to the workflow that then the agent can receive and say, thank you very much, I've received your payment, you're good to go. It can then, the workflow can then actually send that order off to the barista who's going to make the drinks and prepare the food. It can do some inventory integration, whatever you want to set up. So let's just take a look at the agent and then the workflow and how I actually set this up. Barista agent. So I've just given the prompt to the agent. It's pretty simple. I've told him to use a couple of tools. So go and retrieve some things from the knowledge base and then run the generate payment link workflow. All very easy. I've defined those tools in here. If you're used to using and setting up agents, it's going to be super easy for you. It's a very simple knowledge base. So coffee shop menu, just got these items. This is what the agent's going to go and look up when he presents the menu and the summary. Then you can see that I pass in some inputs to the tools. So the conversation ID, this is so I can send a link back to the agent. I'm going to pass the email of the user. This is to set up the payment page, the amount, and a reference. And then that's it. That's my agent setup. Let me come across here to my make.com workflow. You could do this in Zapier, principally exactly the same. The secret is the Shuttle payment links module here for both Zapier and make.com. So webhooks, this is my trigger. This receives a notification from the agent to trigger this workflow. So whenever it gets that notification, it's going to run this. And here we've got the generate payment link module from Shuttle running in sandbox mode. It's going to automatically pass in a GBP. You could dynamically pass this in, dynamically pass in the amount, dynamically pass in a reference, dynamically pass in the email. That's what I'm going to do for this example. This little tool here is going to pause for a few seconds, and then it's going to send the payment link via email, and it's going to send the payment link back, as you saw, into the chatbot conversation so that the user can actually just click within the chatbot and pay. But that's it. That is how I set up an AI agent to take a payment for a coffee shop scenario in less than an hour. You can do the same. You don't need complex systems, off-the-shelf systems. You can now just do this with agents and workflow engines, and you can set up front ends like using WhatsApp or whatever you want and generate yourself an AI barista agent, save yourself time, have a good interaction with the customers, let them pre-order things automatically via WhatsApp or their preferred conversation method.